Hey there, I'm here to talk about one of my absolute favorite places in the world, Venice Beach. Now, if you've never been to Venice Beach before, let me tell you, you are missing out on some serious fun in the sun. The first thing you'll notice when you arrive is the energy. It's like nowhere else on earth. There are street performers, artists, musicians, and all sorts of interesting characters to keep you entertained. It's like a big colorful carnival that never ends. But that's not all there is to Venice Beach. If you're into fitness, there are plenty of places to get your sweat on. You can rent a bike and cruise along the boardwalk, or join in on one of the many beach volleyball games that are always going on. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even try your hand at surfing. And let's not forget about the food. Oh my goodness, the food. From fresh fruit smoothies to fish tacos to ice cream, there's something for everyone. And if you're feeling really daring, you can even try one of the infamous hot brownies, sold by some of the local vendors. Although I don't recommend it if you're not comfortable with that sort of thing. Overall, Venice Beach is just one of those places that has endless possibilities. You can spend the whole day there and still not see everything. So if you're looking for a fun summer adventure, make sure you put Venice Beach on your bucket list. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Drop a line in the comment down below.